Hey guys, welcome to SAR Trail. We are at the International Sportsman Expo in downtown Denver. And this is Todd with Topperlift, and he's going to show us something that we've never seen before. Super cool concept to take your pickup truck and turn it into an overlanding vehicle, something you can camp in out of. But he's the expert, and he's the one that's going to show you all of this out. But it's super cool stuff. Check it out.
All right. So basically what we did is a lot of guys have a lot of frustration having a truck and a cab. The frustration of that big drop lip. So when you go to load things in, things don't fit. So what we did is reinvented the topper clamp. So instead of clamping the topper down, we came out with these high quality sealed electric worm drives. These actuators are made by Linac. They're out of Kentucky. Everything you see is American made. And basically with the push of a button, it allows you to raise and lower your cab. And so we did that for a couple years, hauling lawn tractors, ATVs, washers, dryers, gas grills. Then we realized we kind of had a nice space. So then we created a tent system. Then we made the tent system universal. It's double-walled insulated with no seam screens on all three sides. It fits from a 5-foot bed to a 6-foot bed to an 8-foot bed. So from a little Toyota Tacoma to an F-350, one design. Right. And then we double-walled insulated it, no seam screen windows on all three sides, and it sets up in about 30 seconds.
Yeah, that's super, super smart. And when you're driving down the road, it just looks like you got a topper on your truck and that's it.
Yep, it looks like you have a topper on your truck. One of the big things when you tow things, it's hard to get to remote areas because you have a trailer behind you. But with our system, it looks like a regular pickup with a topper, actually saving you fuel. This happens to be the Chevy Colorado mid-size, a little Duramax diesel, getting 28 miles a gallon. Right. They haven't done that since the Vanagon days, let's be honest. I mean, right. It gets almost 600 miles on a tank of fuel. That's crazy. Which is awesome.
Yep.
Yeah.
So inside, you can then kind of make it what you want. You can turn into like a single sleeper. This is queen size. Yep. However you want to do it inside.
And so basically, the tiny home movement's kind of a big thing right now. And so this is your own space. You make your own tiny home. This happens to be a disco bunk bed cot. Another one stacks underneath it, so you can stack two people, sure. Or you can put a full bed platform and utilize the space, but it gives you portability. And then you can add, heated blankets, LED TV, LED lights, and a secondary battery bank, right. All independent off the grid of your starting battery on your truck. And then we added a 23/0 awning and other accessories. I mean, you can really take it to the next level.
So the topper, you don't supply the topper, right?
Nope.
Okay, so the customer has their own topper or they buy one.
Yep.
And then you supply the system that raises and lowers it, and the tent system. Yep. And is there anything else that comes in your package?
We basically provide the tenting and the lift, so we basically reinvented the topper clamp. Right. But off of that, we invented a lot of other things, like we invented privacy shades that basically will roll down and block out your windows. We invented a bungee rack system for holding, let's say, paddles or maybe life jackets or guns or fishing rods, things like that. And so we kind of took it a next step each time, as we progress. And we're really seeing it from our customers using it in the field. So if you go to like our Instagram or YouTube or channels like yourself, you'll see a lot of people creating their own space. Which is pretty cool.
Okay, so as we sit right now, this is a 6-foot bed, right?
Yep.
And without the topper, so with the tent, the locking down system, the raises and lowers and everything, what are we looking at just as it sits right now?
Right now it's $1,900, $1,900.
That includes the tent
and the lift,
everything.
And it gets drop shipped to your door, and as long as I'm the owner of the company and you own the system, if you break or destroy a zipper or cut a hole in it or anything gets ruined on it, as long as we own the company, I'll replace it for free, no questions asked.
Wow, that's a good warranty.
Yeah, and we've been doing it for 10 years already. You see we're 5-star rated, we have 100%. Once you have it, you won't go back.
Nice.
Yeah.
Show us the back. We got a little more space in the back side.
So what happened with the back is a lot of guys went to 5-foot truck beds because they wanted more interior space, family, kids, whatever. Well, when you fold the gate down, a standard cot's made 7 feet long. Well, you can't fit them in a 5-foot Tacoma or a 5-foot F-150. When you fold the gate down, that gives you almost another 2 feet. So 5-foot turns into 7-foot. It's also a nice space for your dog. You can have under storage. We like to use these little DeWalt rolling boxes. We'll label them duck hunting, deer hunting, fishing, camping, whatever, and what keeps us organized.
Right.
Yeah.
And then you can see the awning here that they also sell as well.
Yep.
The changing room, shower, bathroom tent as well. But it's a full setup. Really, really nice.
Yep. The awning is actually an Australian-made product called 23/0. Right. And the Aussies have been overlanding or camping forever. It's kind of new to the States, coming out of Colorado and California. But the reason why, like in Australia, if you ever see the top 10 deadliest, they have all 10.
Right.
So they don't want to sleep on the ground.
Right.
And that's kind of the rooftop tenting, and this has kind of progressed. This has zip-on sides that extend way out, and they make little annexes. I mean, we've adapted things like a Works portable pressure washer, which is a simple battery transfer pump, but it makes a great shower.
Nice.
And it's just, we just learn as we kind of use things, what things we like, and makes it kind of easy.
Sure, perfect. Okay, so how do they find you? How do they find your product?
You can go to TopperLift or Topper Easy Lift or Easy Lift Systems. We also started another company called Overland North Outdoors. Overland North carries a lot of the accessories that we've been seeing because we assimilate with a lot of the companies. We're pulling in products we see of guys basically off-grid camping into our system. But TopperLift, you go to our website, you'll see
Topperlift.com?
Yep, or Topper Easy Lift. Basically, we kind of just simplified it a little bit.
Okay, and you're on Instagram as well?
Yep, Instagram and Facebook and social media and all that.
Okay, awesome, perfect. Todd, thank you so much. Really cool product. We love it.
All right, thank you.
All right, man, thank you.
You too.